What's happening, everyone? It's Jeffrey here with Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Colorado Properties, and Mountain Luxury Group. And here we are. It is Friday, October the 6th, and it is closing day. It is closing day right here in Eagle Vale. I am standing at my listing at 1264 Deer Boulevard. And this is a beautiful duplex that we are closing on today. What can I tell you? It's 2,900 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms. It's 3 baths. We had it listed up at $2,150,000, and we are closing it up today for
$2,087,500.
Now, I know that's kind of a weird number, and if you want to know more information about how we arrived at that price, I would love for you to reach out to me. And I'm going to give you all of my contact information at the end. But I got to tell you, this community, Eagle Vale, is brilliant. It's nice and quiet. It's in the middle of Beaver Creek and Vale. So if you're a skier, this is a great place to land. You know, you get 12 inches of snow over in Vale, go and ski that. You get 14 inches over here in Beaver Creek, you turn the other way and you go up to Beaver Creek and you get it done. So there's a lot of cool things about this neighborhood, and I absolutely love Eagle Vale. So as I said, I represented the seller on this one. Now, when he bought it, it was original. So shag carpeting and 4 mica countertops, original appliances. The paint was outdated. The carpet was outdated. It was brutal. And my guy bought it in November of 2022 and went right to town on remodeling the whole entire place. And now it is absolutely gorgeous. So wide plank wood floors and new stone in all of the surfaces, new bathrooms and a new kitchen and new appliances and new carpet, and boy, oh boy, the list goes on. This home came out absolutely beautiful. And then we listed it up and it got snatched right up. Why did it get snatched right up? Because that's what our buyers out there are looking for today, are homes that are turnkey, ready to go, and you don't have to come in and then worry about doing a big project. And that's what my guy does. So we're getting rid of this one and we're going up the hill to Wild Ridge, and we are going to get one of those, and he's going to start going and doing the same thing on that one. So if you want more information on what made this sale here really special, I would love for you to give me a call. My telephone number is 970-445-8388. You can take a look at the information below there if you want to contact me. If you want to subscribe to my channel, I would love to give you all of the cool stuff that happens here in the Vail Valley. I love real estate, I love lifestyle, and I love doing them both really good. So give me a ring, and I hope you all have a fantastic weekend. Look at this day. It is gorgeous. Look at these trees. My, is it gorgeous out. October the 6th, 2023. Believe it, everybody. It's going to be snowing before you know it. Have a great day.